Here's some Williamsburg Restoration trivia. Subscribe. Which famous American architect contributed to the restoration? Is it A. Walter Gropius, B. Frank Lloyd Wright, C. M. Pye, or D. Louis Kahn? The correct answer is A. Walter Gropius. Which historic building serves as the governor's mansion? Is it A. Williamsburg Lodge, B. Monticello, C. Montpelier, or D. the Virginia Governor's Palace? The correct answer is D. the Virginia Governor's Palace. Which foundation primarily funded the restoration? Is it A. Packard Foundation, B. the Rockefeller Foundation, C. Gates Foundation, or D. Sloan Foundation? The correct answer is B. the Rockefeller Foundation. What type of reenactments are common in Williamsburg? Is it A. musical performances, B. science experiments, C. historical reenactments, or D. fashion shows? The correct answer is C. historical reenactments. What is the focus of the Colonial Williamsburg Foundation? Is it A. historic preservation, B. educational funding, C. commercial expansion, or D. tourism development? The correct answer is A. historic preservation. What tool signifies a tradesperson in Williamsburg? Is it A. wrench, B. screwdriver, C. saw, or D. trowel? The correct answer is D. trowel. Which colonial trade was represented by blacksmiths? Is it A. carpentry, B. metalworking, C. textiles, or D. shipbuilding? The correct answer is B. metalworking. What museum showcases colonial artifacts? Is it A. Louvre Museum, B. the DeWitt Wallace Decorative Arts Museum, C. National Gallery, or D. Metropolitan Museum? The correct answer is B. the DeWitt Wallace Decorative Arts Museum. What year did Colonial Williamsburg become a National Historic Landmark? Is it A. 1945, B. 1960, C. 1975, or D. 1938? The correct answer is B. 1960. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.